Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use the Slinger inside of Monster Hunter Wilds, okay? And the Slinger is actually a general tool that actually contains a lot of more tools, okay? So for example, inside of the Slinger, you can have your throwing knives, you can have your paint pots, your capture net, so on and so on, okay? So depending on what you actually want to do, you're going to choose one or the other. But in general, what you're going to be able to do with this is just to capture stuff, okay? As I'm doing here. So how can I use the slinger is by actually pressing the right mouse click, okay, as I'm doing here. Okay, I'm just pressing the right click, and when an object appears, I'm gonna have to press F in order to catch it, as I'm doing here. Okay, I can also use it by pressing Alt. Okay, so I don't actually have to hold the mouse right click button. I can just press Alt once, and I'm gonna have exactly the same effect. I can press F, and I can take them. Okay, so yes, actually I prefer to use Alt because it's the same as the focus mode. Okay, but yeah, you can also hold down onto the mouse wheel as I'm doing here, and that's gonna work fine. Okay, depends on you completely. Something that you can also do is, of course, you can select whatever weapon you want to use. For example, let's say that I want to use a throwing knife, as I'm doing here with my mouse wheel. Now, once I get to my throwing knife, I'm just gonna press, E to actually equip it, and you need to make sure that you have a tick inside of your, item. And now you want to aim it to whatever monster you want to hand, and I'm gonna press, you know, this button here, okay? And this is gonna actually inflict some damage, but it's very, very little damage, so it's not gonna be really worth it, all right? So that's pretty much how you can use the slinger, okay? And you can also do, for example, paint pot in here, okay? Just let me show you for a while. You can aim it whatever you want, and you can just throw paint pot in here, all right? So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.